Such a cute hairstyle to start off today's video. We see this beautiful copper orange colored mullet style. It does feature full bangs in the front, half shaven sides. I absolutely love that style. Very cool. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. Here we have someone once again going from long to short hair. And it looks like they got an undercut pixie style for this one. Wow, very nice. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hair ideas featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone mixing things up with this beautiful pixie style. This one features some gorgeous bangs going there in the front, beautiful choppy layer texture. Very nice. So we do get a full 360 of this pixie cut, and it also features a nice little line parting design going there in the back. Next up, we have someone making another major hair change. Wow, full on buzz cut. So heading into the next transformation, we have a cut refresh. Very nice undercut pixie look with the structured sideburns. looks like they also decided to go with this bright pink color. Very nice. And pink hair is definitely trending right now. We're calling it Barbie hair. So we're not surprised at this color change. Next up, we have another long to short hair change. And we have a nice pixie undercut style yet again. Very nice. Love the overall shape and texture here. It does have a very nice like feathered effect to it. Really creating a lot of volume on the sides. Look at the bangs. A lot of options left when it comes to styling as well with that particular length. And then we see someone with a bob. And they decide to go shorter with this longer pixie style, aka the Big C. Very cute. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.